Guys, what's going on? Jake Lamb, Dial Up FPV is my call sign. Some of you may have seen my previous post in Rotor Riot or a couple other groups that I posted it in. I'm going to be giving away a micro Crossfire bundle. So that's going to include this module and antenna and a brand new in the package Nano RX. So you will have everything that you need to get going long range, to pimp out one of your quads. This is just to give back to the community. All you got to do is be one of my followers on YouTube. So if you're watching this video right now, subscribe, follow me. If you want to click the bell to get the notifications when my new content comes up. I'm going to try and be getting you a new video every week. Make sure if you want to win a new Unify MMCX, let's see if I have it laying around here. So you can actually win this guy right here, brand new Unify MMCX. All I did was take it out of the package to test it with my immersion power meter. Video coming soon. You can win that by going through my channel, watching some of my videos, and commenting on which video you like the best and why. And my favorite comment will be winning that Unify. So the contest closed August 5th. I'll be choosing a winner that day or the day after, and then you guys will be receiving your prizes within a couple of days after that. Shipping's on me. There's no cost to you in this. Just if you like my channel, if you like my content, like, subscribe, comment, you're going to win. Somebody's going to win, so you're going to win.